Environmental Biology, Philippine setting. So, what is ecology? Ecology is perhaps the broadest of the biological sciences with the explicit links to many biological disciplines, for it deals with living and non-living things, interacting in an immense web relationship. Subdivision of ecology. Autecology deals with the study of individual organism, its life history, behavior, characteristics, and its adaptation to the environment. Synecology deals with the study of groups of organisms which are associated as a unit in relation to its environment. Levels of organization. Life, except the simplest forms, is organized into different levels, from cells to organisms or species. Cells are made up of organelles, and these organelles are made up of chemical molecules in compounds of atom. An organism is any living thing. A group of similar organisms in the same area at a given time forms a population. A group of population of one species that live in the same area and interact with each other form a community. Communities that interact with each other in their surroundings from the ecosystem and all the ecosystems on the earth from the total environment and the earth is called the biosphere. These are the levels of organization. Atom is the smallest unit particle of matter. Molecule is the basic chemical unit that makes up the parts of a cell. Organelles are the part of a cell. Cell is the smallest unit of living things. Tissue, group of similar cells. Organs, group of differentiated tissues doing the same work. Systems are the group of different organs performing different functions. Organisms are individual living things, either plants or animals. A group of similar organisms occupying a definite area is called a population. A group of different population interacting with one another is called a community. Group of communities interacting with their physical factors is called the ecosystem. All the ecosystem on the earth with the physical environment is called the biosphere. And the planetary environment is the earth. Interaction in an ecosystem, biotic and biotic factors. There are three kinds of interactions in an ecosystem. First is abiotic, which is the interaction relationship among physical factors in an environment. Second is the biotic, interaction relationship among biotic factors in the community. The third is abiotic, factor relationship between living and non-living things in a community. These are the abiotic and biotic factors that influence the ecosystem. These are examples of abiotic factors, which is mainly composed of water, soil, sunlight, air, wind, temperature, and gas. And these are an example of abiotic factors, which is composed mainly by plants, animals, and microorganisms.